Friends, I warm welcome to you on my channel. This is my new channel on YouTube. The name of my channel is BELFP, Basic of Languages for People. I make this channel to learn basics of languages. We go through each language one by one. I kindly request to you, please support this channel. If you like my channel, you can like or subscribe it. For subscription, you have to click on red bell icon. First of all, I select the Punjabi language. It is nice language and I hear most of the people want to learn this language. Talk about Punjabi language. To begin with, firstly, you have to know in which portion of India this language used. This language is mostly used in Punjab, so we have to know a little bit about Punjab. Punjab word is consist of two words, that is in Punjabi Panj and Aab, as shown on the screen. Panj means five and Aab means river. So the complete meaning of Punjab is the land of five rivers. That rivers are Ravi river, Satluj river, Vyas river, Chenab river and Jhelum river. So with learning of this language, I also share some civilization of Punjab to you. Learning, I suggest to you to take your notes or pen with you. It will increase your remembering and you can learn easily. Now I start teach you. Which contains 35 alphabets like ABC is of 25 alphabet. These combination of 35 alphabet is called Gurmukhi. All these alphabet I write on the screen. Now you all are thinking that how to pronounce this word. Don't worry. I also made a slide which help to you to solve your problem. Here it is. A slide from which you can learn their pronunciation in Punjabi. Let's watch first letter of the Gurmukhi, that is Uda. The pronunciation of this word I written in English as O-O-R-A, that is Uda, and two alphabet shows that it can be denoted in English with this letter, that is O and U. Same in the second letter, Ada, A-I-R-A. It is also denoted in English with A or Y, and all the letters are same. You can learn their pronunciation by watch this slide, and also you note down these letters on your note. Let's learn this language by dividing it into parts. Today we learn first 5 letters of Gurmukhi that are shown on display. First is Uda, second is Eda, third is Ed, fourth is Sassa and fifth is Haha. Now we have to learn this word briefly one by one. Here I make a slide through which you can practice how to write first letter Uda. As you are watching on the display, try to write like this and do practice on notes. Here more, in the next slide, I put some pictures. By seeing these pictures, you will remember it easily. This shows that the words made from the letter Uda in Punjabi. In the first picture, there is a camel. I write it into Punjabi and English, both languages. On the lower side, I write it in Punjabi, and on the right side, it is in the English language. Now let's start how it is work. As you know, this picture is of camel. Camel means ऊँट. As I shown in the fourth slide, the alphabet UDA can be denoted using two letters O and U. Here I denote it with U letter, that is U and TH is oat. You can remember by seeing this picture because from the alphabet UDA this word is made. As from alphabet A the word apple is made, so the other two words is also made by alphabet UDA, Ullu and UDA Un. Is Ada. The pronunciation of this word is A-I-R-H-A. Is Ada. You can write it by this slide. I made the word made of alphabet Ada as I told about first letter Uda. That words are A for A for Ak and A for Anag in Punjabi. Same is for all the other three words. This slide is for third letter, that is ED. The pronunciation of this alphabet is E-R-H-I, is ED. Instead of ED are E for it, E for L, E for Emily in Punjabi language. Alphabet on your notes. The pronunciation of this word is Sassa, S-A-S-S-A. This letter are S for Seb, S for Surkhi and S for Santara in Punjabi. You can practice last word of this video as shown in the screen. You can pronounce it as ha ha, that is H-A-H-A, by repeating again and again. In this slide there are three words that is made of this alphabet, that is ha ha for hathi, ha ha for hath and ha ha for hockey. With this exercise you have to guess the first letter of the word that comes in your mind, which you are learned today by seeing these pictures in previous slides. Here I done one example for your understanding. As I write the letter Sassa as the answer because it is apple, and in Punjabi apple means seb and the first alphabet of seb is Sassa. Do same for all the below question. Write the answer on your notes. I will display answers of this exercise in next video. Thank you for watching my video.